Hey everyone, this is Pratiksha Jain and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for the day. So today I'll be talking about Kajals and Kohls. So let's decode it together. So the first kohl I'm talking about is Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl that comes in shade 01 Back to Black. This kohl is intense black in color and also is soft and creamy in texture. It is also waterproof. It lasts for up to 8 hours and is made in Germany. Eye makeup can be tricky, but a stroke of genius can put you at ease. Gently rim your lower and upper lash lines with this creamy kohl. Open your eyes wide for precise application. This also comes with a sharpener. So the second product that I am using is KOHL Intense Kajal 01 Blackout. So it's waterproof, smudge proof and transfer resistant. This super smooth and ultra creamy formula lasts for up to 12 hours. Ready to elevate your eye game many notches above the ordinary? Its high impact color will fill your eyes with all the definition and drama you have ever known. This is made in India. So the third product is Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal. It comes in two shades, 01 Black Velvet and 02 Still Got the Blues. It has creamy consistency with a velvet finish and can also be used as an eyeliner. It's fade proof and lasts till 10 hours. It's made in Germany. It has the specially designed anti-slip grip formula for super steady hold.